This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, leveling jacks, awning, external shower, slide-out, stovetop burner, air conditioning, oven, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29QB is 6,618 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.